Hi everyone, in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. So let's begin. The very first step is to download the app called NiceGram. So you should go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for NiceGram, and then you should download this one. So once you have downloaded this one, you just simply need to sign in using your Telegram account. So now once you have logged in, it will look like your Telegram. So what is the purpose of this one? So you just need this one since we will be using the main Telegram app later on. So let's go ahead and open our Telegram first. So go open Telegram and then you should search for NiceGram bot. And then once you're in NiceGram bot, simply click on this link and then wait for it to load. Click on login with Telegram and wait for it to load once again and sign in with your account. So I'll just type in my account information first, click on next, and then you should wait until the Telegram will send you a link. So since you cannot use the Telegram app, then you should go to NiceGram right here. And then, as you can see right here, there is a notification which says we have received a request login. So simply click on confirm right here, wait for it, and then go back to the main Telegram app, click on accept right here, and then you should turn on these two. So first is I am 18 plus years old and show content that may be sensitive. So turn these two on and click on save and then go back to the channel and that should fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.